If Inkscape is crashing with a runtime error, freezing on launch, or showing an error related to the canvas, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. We're going to reset the user preferences, update your graphics drivers, install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, and if you can open Inkscape, disable OpenCL hardware acceleration. These steps solve a lot of runtime error problems, especially when the issue is caused by corrupted settings, outdated GPU drivers, or missing system components. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to reset the Inkscape user preferences. This is one of the best ways to clear out corrupted UI states or broken settings that may be causing the runtime error. To do this, open File Explorer and type %appdata %\Inkscape into the address bar. Press Enter and you should be inside the Inkscape Preferences folder. Now look for a file called preferences.xml. This file stores your custom settings, and if it becomes corrupted, Inkscape can behave badly or fail to start properly. Right-click on preferences.xml, choose Rename and change the name to preferences.xml.old. This keeps a backup of the original file while forcing Inkscape to create a fresh preferences file the next time it launches. Once that's done, close File Explorer and try opening Inkscape again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the runtime error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your graphics card drivers. Runtime errors involving Visual C++ or OpenCL are often linked to outdated or broken GPU drivers because Inkscape depends on your graphics hardware for rendering. Open your graphics driver software or go to your GPU manufacturer's website, then download and install the latest driver for your card. Whether you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, make sure you get the newest stable version available. After updating, restart your computer so the driver changes fully take effect. Now let's move on to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Inkscape may depend on these runtime components to launch correctly, and if they're missing or outdated, you can get a runtime error. Go to the official Microsoft website and download both the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributable. Install both packages even if you think you only need one, because many programs use different versions depending on how they were built. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC again. If Inkscape opens after that, great. The missing runtime dependency was the issue, but if you can still reach the interface and the error happens while working on a project, there's one more fix worth trying. Open Inkscape, then go to Edit Preferences and click on Rendering. In that section, look for the option called Use OpenCL. OpenCL can speed up rendering on some systems, but on others it can trigger crashes or runtime errors, especially if the GPU driver is unstable. Uncheck Use OpenCL to disable hardware acceleration, then apply the change and restart Inkscape. This can make the app much more stable on affected systems. To recap, if you're getting an Inkscape runtime error, start by renaming preferences.xml to clear corrupted settings, then update your graphics drivers. Install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, and disable OpenCL if you're able to get into the program. These fixes solve most common startup and rendering issues. If this tutorial helped you get Inkscape working again, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.